food businesses rarely stop, even when other industries slow down. People eat every day, habits don't pause, and local demand keeps moving quietly in the background. What most people never see is how small spaces are now producing food at a commercial level, not factories, not warehouses, but garages and compact workshops. Across local markets, cafes, and small stores, automated food machines are handling tasks that once required full production lines. These machines are not experimental, they are already in daily use, filling packages, shaping food, sealing portions, and maintaining consistency that customers expect. Some of these machines serve mass demand, others focus on repeat orders, and a few stand out for how efficiently they replace manual labor. One machine on this list consistently outperforms the rest in reliability and steady sales, yet it is often overlooked. This countdown moves from the least demanded to the most dependable, revealing how small food production is quietly changing. Let's start. This video is just for informational and educational purposes only. We do not guarantee income or results. Success depends on individual efforts, skills, and market conditions. Number 14. Automatic bread making. Bread is one of the few products people buy without thinking twice. It shows up on breakfast tables, lunch menus, and dinner plates every single day. That daily habit is what gives the automatic bread making machine its quiet strength. This machine handles mixing, kneading, proofing, and baking in a controlled cycle, removing guesswork from the process. Temperature and timing stay consistent, which means every loaf looks and tastes the same. For small producers, consistency matters more than variety. Local cafes, small shops, and neighborhood customers care about freshness and reliability. Compact bread machines fit easily into home bakeries or garage setups, allowing routine production without constant supervision. Scheduled baking cycles make daily output predictable, which supports repeat orders. Bread may feel simple, but simplicity creates trust. That trust turns into steady demand, and steady demand keeps small food businesses running day after day. Number 13. Plastic juice and liquid food packaging. Liquids are easy to make, but difficult to package correctly. That is where the plastic juice and liquid food packaging machine becomes essential. This machine focuses entirely on accuracy, hygiene, and sealing, not on extraction or flavor creation. It measures precise liquid volumes, fills containers, and seals them securely to prevent leaks or contamination. For small beverage producers, presentation builds confidence before the first sip. Local juice sellers, dairy drink producers, and syrup suppliers rely on clean packaging to win repeat customers. Compact machines are designed for garage or small workshop use, handling pouches, cups, or bottles depending on the market. Uniform packages simplify storage and distribution, especially for cafes and grocery shelves. Liquids spoil trust quickly when packaging fails, which is why consistent sealing matters. This machine does not chase attention, it delivers reliability, and reliability keeps liquid products moving consistently. Before number 12, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more smart business ideas. We're aiming for 10,000 subscribers, and your support truly makes a difference. Number 12. Honey salad ketchup sauce packaging. Sauces are everywhere, but portion control decides profitability. This machine solves that problem by focusing on precise filling and leak-proof sealing. It handles thick and viscous products like honey, dressings, ketchup, and condiments with steady accuracy. Each sachet or pouch contains the same amount, which protects margins and simplifies pricing. Small food producers often supply restaurants, takeaway counters, and packaged meal businesses where consistency matters more than branding. Compact packaging machines fit easily into home-based operations, requiring simple cleaning routines and basic setup. The real advantage lies in repeat demand. Single-serve sauces are reordered constantly, often without seasonal fluctuation. The business does not depend on complex recipes, only on dependable packaging. When every portion is sealed cleanly and measured correctly, customers reorder without hesitation, turning small packaging operations into steady daily suppliers. Number 11. Dumpling making. Dumplings may look simple, but consistency decides whether they sell once or sell every week. This machine automates one of the most time-consuming steps in food preparation, shaping, filling, and sealing each piece with uniform size and weight. Dough and filling are fed together, then pressed and cut into identical portions. This matters for producers supplying restaurants, takeaway outlets, or frozen food buyers, where portion control affects both cost and cooking performance. Compact models work well in small kitchens or garage setups with proper hygiene practices. Manual dumpling production depends heavily on skilled labor, while automation keeps output steady even during busy periods. Uniform dumplings freeze more evenly, store better, and package neatly. The business is not about complex recipes, it is about dependable production. When every dumpling looks the same, customers trust the product without question. Number 10. Mini spring roll making. Spring rolls sell fast because they cook fast. This machine is designed for speed, consistency, and repeat orders. It automatically wraps filling inside thin dough sheets, seals the roll, and cuts it to a uniform size. This removes the most inconsistent part of manual production, hand rolling. Restaurants, caterers, and frozen food suppliers rely on uniform weight and shape for predictable cooking results. Compact machines fit into small kitchens or garage-based operations, making them accessible for local producers. Consistency simplifies freezing, packaging, and portion planning. The machine supports steady daily output without exhausting manual labor. Spring rolls are often reordered in bulk, especially by food stalls and takeaway businesses. This creates recurring demand rather than one-time sales. Automation keeps quality stable even as volume increases, which helps small producers meet expectations without expanding space or staff. Number 9. Automatic electric pasta and noodle making. Noodles appear on plates across cultures, which makes demand stable and widespread. This machine brings control to a process that depends heavily on texture and uniformity. It mixes dough, kneads it thoroughly, and shapes noodles into consistent strands or forms. Thickness, length, and shape remain the same from batch to batch. Small producers supply local restaurants, markets, or packaged noodle sellers who expect predictable cooking behavior. Compact machines are suitable for countertops or small workshops, allowing regular production cycles without industrial equipment. Attachments allow multiple noodle styles without changing the core setup. Automation reduces manual effort while maintaining appearance and texture. Noodles are purchased repeatedly, not occasionally. When consistency stays reliable, customers return without needing persuasion, making this machine a steady performer in small-scale food production. Number 8. Electric donut maker. Donuts attract attention before the first bite. This machine simplifies production by forming and cooking donuts in controlled heated molds. Batter is dispensed evenly, temperature remains stable, and cooking time stays consistent. This produces donuts with uniform shape and texture every time. Small bakeries, food stalls, and event vendors benefit from fast production cycles without handling large amounts of hot oil. Compact machines work well in garage-based setups or small kitchens, making them practical for daily use. Uniform donuts improve glazing, topping, and packaging, which directly affects visual appeal. Customers expect donuts to look identical, especially when buying multiple pieces. This machine supports repeated batches throughout the day with predictable results. Donuts sell on impulse, and impulse products rely on appearance. Consistent output keeps queues moving, and customers coming back without hesitation. So far, these machines handle volume, speed, and routine demand. But the next group starts shifting toward higher margins, stronger repeat orders, and products customers actively seek out. And we still have not reached the machine that quietly outperforms them all. Number 7. Protein bar making. Protein bars sell because convenience meets routine. This machine focuses on portion control, uniform shaping, and repeatable texture. It mixes ingredients like oats, nuts, and protein blends, then forms and cuts bars to consistent size and weight. For fitness-focused buyers, consistency builds trust. Compact machines fit into small kitchens or garage operations where hygiene and efficiency matter. Manual shaping slows production and introduces variation, while automation keeps every bar identical. These bars are often sold to gyms, local stores, and online buyers, creating steady reorder cycles. Packaging becomes easier when bars match exactly. The business benefits from predictable output rather than seasonal demand. When customers find a bar they trust, they repurchase regularly. This machine supports that behavior by delivering the same product every time, without relying on skilled manual labor. Number 6. Automatic oil press. Fresh oil carries a perception of quality that bottled brands struggle to match. The automatic oil press machine extracts oil from seeds and nuts using mechanical pressure without chemical solvents. Materials like sunflower, sesame, mustard, and peanuts are processed into oil with consistent extraction results. Compact models operate smoothly in garages or utility spaces, requiring straightforward operation and maintenance. The machine produces oil and solid residue, both easy to manage in small-scale setups. Local consumers value freshness and transparency, especially when buying cooking oil regularly. Automation reduces manual effort and maintains steady output. This business focuses on controlled quantities rather than mass production. Freshly pressed oil creates repeat buyers who return for quality, not marketing. When extraction remains consistent and supply stays reliable, small producers can build trust in markets where freshness speaks louder than branding. Number 5. Freeze dryer machine for food. Shelf life changes everything. This allows small producers to turn fresh ingredients into long-lasting products without preservatives. Food is frozen, then placed under vacuum, removing moisture while keeping shape, flavor, and structure intact. Fruits, vegetables, meals, and specialty ingredients become lightweight and shelf-stable. Compact units are designed for home or garage use, running controlled cycles with minimal supervision. What makes this machine powerful is flexibility. Producers can source ingredients locally, process in batches, and package premium products for niche markets. Freeze-dried foods are popular for snacks, outdoor use, emergency supplies, and specialty retail. Customers expect uniform texture and clean handling. This machine delivers consistency batch after batch. The business is not about volume, it is about value. When quality remains predictable, pricing stays strong, and demand remains steady. Number 4. Multifunctional candy forming. Candy sells first with the eyes. This machine controls shape, size, and portion, turning candy mixtures into uniform pieces ready for packaging. Depending on setup, it can produce hard candies, soft candies, gummies, or filled sweets. Temperature and portion control keep results consistent across batches. Compact machines fit into small workshops or garage spaces with basic hygiene and temperature management. Interchangeable molds allow variety without changing the core system. This matters for producers supplying gift shops, events, and seasonal markets where appearance drives sales. Automation removes uneven shapes that reduce visual appeal. Uniform candies store better, label easier, and meet customer expectations more reliably. The business benefits from repeat production cycles rather than complex experimentation. When every piece looks intentional, customers associate the product with quality, even before tasting it. At this point, demand is no longer about popularity alone. These machines succeed because they change perception, not recipes. The next two prove that appearance and reliability often matter more than complexity. Number 3. Vacuum freeze dried candy. This machine changes texture, not flavor. This takes finished candies and transforms them into lightweight, crunchy, shelf-stable products. Moisture is removed under low temperature and vacuum conditions, creating a dramatic texture shift without altering taste. Compact units are suitable for garages or small workshops, requiring no advanced cooking skills. The candy is prepared beforehand, making the process simple and repeatable. Freeze-dried candy stands out because it feels different, not because it looks traditional. That difference creates curiosity and impulse buying. These products sell well online, in specialty stores, and as novelty snacks. Consistent drying cycles ensure uniform results across batches. The business focuses on processing and presentation. When texture remains reliable and packaging stays clean, customers return for the experience, not just the candy. Number 2. Cake Icing Smoother. This machine does not bake anything, yet it changes how cakes are judged. This focuses entirely on surface quality, edge sharpness, and visual consistency. Cakes rotate while frosting is applied evenly, creating smooth sides and clean finishes that are difficult to achieve by hand. For event cakes, retail displays, and celebration orders, appearance directly affects price. Compact smoothers fit easily into home kitchens or garage-based cake studios, making them accessible for small businesses. Manual icing depends on skill and endurance, while automation delivers the same result every time. Uniform frosting thickness improves portion control and presentation. Customers may not understand the process, but they notice the finish immediately. This machine supports higher perceived value without changing recipes. When every cake looks professional, trust increases, and repeat orders follow naturally. Many people assume the most advanced machine wins. In reality, the strongest performer focuses on consistency, labor reduction, and cultural demand. That is why the final machine on this list stands apart. Number 1. Kuba Making Machine. This is the machine many people overlook, yet it delivers the most dependable results. This automates one of the most labor-intensive traditional foods. It shapes the outer shell, fills it evenly, and seals each piece into uniform portions. Size, thickness, and weight remain consistent, which is essential for even cooking and freezing. Compact models work well in small workshops, home kitchens, or garage setups with proper sanitation. Kuba is widely sold fresh or frozen, creating repeat demand from grocery stores, restaurants, and catering services. Manual production requires skilled hands and time, while automation maintains steady output without fatigue. Uniform pieces reduce waste and simplify packaging. This machine succeeds because it prioritizes reliability over complexity. When customers receive the same product every time, trust builds quickly, and trust keeps orders coming back consistently. Food production does not always reward complexity. As this list shows, the most dependable machines focus on repeat demand, consistency, and trust. From basic staples to specialized products, each machine plays a role, but only a few deliver predictable results day after day. Small spaces are no longer a limitation. They are becoming an advantage when paired with the right equipment. If you are interested in machines that work in real conditions, not just on paper, this kind of knowledge matters. The quiet businesses often last the longest because reliability keeps customers coming back, even when trends change. If you had to start with just one machine, which one would you choose and why? I read every comment. If you want more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Share this video with someone who's serious about building a low-risk business from home.